Hi, you guys. Okay, so this is a reminder, or actually a brief little tutorial on how to complete your Schoology Crucible notebook. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on our class folders, go to second quarter, and then go to week 7. In week 7, I don't know why it says it twice, but in week 7, you'll see an assignment, if you will, that says Crucible Notebook. Okay. I don't know why this stuff is in there, but that'll be changed. What you're going to do is click on that Crucible Notebook. And open the document. Okay. Hopefully the link. Where is the link? Oh, it's loading. Sorry, I was being impatient. Oh, well, it's not working. Okay, we're back. I don't know, that was weird. So you should see something that looks like this. I have preloaded some slides on here to help you get started on completing this notebook. Basically, what you're going to be doing is taking notes and completing assignments for every act. There are 4 acts in this notebook, okay? And so essentially what you're going to do is kind of just fill in the information that is being asked of you. The table of contents here, as you can see, there are blank lines. That is because we don't have all of the assignments for each act loaded yet. They haven't been done. So this will be completed at the end, right before you submit your notebook. And essentially all you're going to do is put all of the slide numbers for each act on these lines. And the way to add content to the slides is to click the text box, put it where you want it, and then just type your information. Okay, kind of like Cami. Okay. All right, so let's move through some of these acts. Okay. So as you can see, Act 1, every act is going to have a brief summary of the act for you, and then it'll have a couple of assignments. There are 2 already loaded in Act 1. One is just to type a summary of the overture in 50 words or less. This is based off a handout that we worked on about a week or so ago in class. And then you'll see that in each act, you also are going to create a comic book summary of the entire act. So it's just like a visual of what this act is about, okay? Be as creative as you want to be, but make sure you're accurate as well. Now, as I said, there will be times where you will add information or add an assignment to your notebook. So let's just do an example of what I mean. Let's say that there was something that I wanted you to get from the master notebook and add it to your own. I'm just going to use this overture summary as an example, okay? Now, how would you get access to my master notebook? Well, I'm glad you asked. All right, so in Schoology, if you go to our second quarter folder and scroll down, you'll see a Crucible folder. Just a quick FYI, this folder contains information to hopefully help you understand the play as we move through each act. But what we're going to focus on is this link right up here where it says Crucible Notebook Master, okay? And basically, all you're going to do when you click on it, it's going to take you to my master notebook. You won't be able to type on it, but you will be able to borrow some slides from it. So let's say, for example, let's see. Here, I'm going to make something on here for you. Let's say, for example, I wanted you to add this slide to your own personal Schoology notebook, right? So all you're going to do, again, go to my master notebook that is in the Crucible folder in Schoology. Click on that. It may ask you to make a copy of it. If it does, go ahead and click copy. If not, it's okay. You won't be able to type on it, but you can get slides from my master notebook to put in your notebook. So all you're going to do is click on the slide that I want you to put in your notebook. And then you're going to right click. Click copy, right click, copy. And then, I'm sorry for all of the clicking. Then you're going to go back to your Crucible folder. Okay, go back to your Crucible notebook. And all you're going to do, hopefully I won't do that weird thing again. Oh, good, it opened. Okay, and all you're going to do is add it to your notebook, the thing that you copied from my master notebook. And essentially make sure you're putting it in the correct act, but somewhere in the white space on the left-hand side, just right click, and then click paste. Wait, hold on. Make sure it's not pasting on the actual thing. There we go. See that line? I want to make sure that I'm not, replacing a slide. So I'm going to right click, paste. Oh, they don't like when you do that on this. Okay, so just do Control V, and there you go. That assignment that I copied from Miss Evans' master notebook is now added to my notebook. Okay. Just go ahead and click on that do not link and you'll be fine. And that is how you add assignments to your notebook. Okay, hopefully this video is helpful to you, but you can always ask me questions if you need follow-up. All right, thank you for watching.